guys, my name is Caitlin and welcome back to Cait Straight Up. Today we're making a simple and delicious and absolutely decadent chocolate mug cake in the microwave. It is a great snack for one, or you can make a couple and have it as a nice little date night snack for two. So you are going to get a microwave safe mug. That's what we need to start with, and we're going to mix all of our ingredients right in the mug that we're using. So we're going to put in 3 tablespoons of just regular flour. There we go. And we're going to add to it 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. After that, we're going to put baking powder and 2 tablespoons of some cocoa. If you want it a little extra chocolatey, go ahead and add a little bit more. That's fine. Last 2 ingredients, we have 4 tablespoons of almond milk, or you can use regular milk also, but I have almond milk. And we're going to add some awesome chocolate chips right into our mixture. Cool. Now, we're going to stir this all up until it looks like a regular old cake batter. So just kind of give it a nice stir in your mug, and then we're microwaving it for 90 seconds. Once it's all mixed, you're going to make sure that it's nice and even and put it into the microwave for 90 seconds. You don't want to overcook it because then it will completely dry out. And there you have it. After a few couple of minutes, you have some delicious chocolate cake. Look at that. Ah! So good. A little tip, guys, if your cake is not rising, it means that you do not have enough baking powder in your mixture, so go ahead and just add a teeny bit more, and don't cook it over 90 seconds because you don't want a dried out cake. We want it nice and gooey like this one. Subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes every Tuesday and sometimes in between on Thursdays and Sundays, and other than that, guys, any questions, tweet at me or comment below, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.